Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also trying to battle out with a key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that, I'll be watching for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.1466 mark. And having seen the formation of that wave 1 and a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis, to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.2666 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Polygon Matic to do here on the short-term scenarios. And for that to also play out, there are key moves that we need to keep our eyes on. And the first one is that we need to continue holding above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure, which lies at around the $1.1466 mark. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we are holding above the wave 1 high, which is enough confirmation of the impulsiveness in this move that we are seeing right here. And the only thing that I'm waiting for is a break above the key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, expect a successful retest, then continue gearing up until we fully maximize our minimum target area at around the $1.26 mark in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. But in case any breakdown continues, I think Polygon Matic needs to continue holding above the wave 1 high for us to still say that there are high chances of seeing that a reversal to the upside, and then continue gearing up until we fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So I think for me, Polygon Matic, the trend is still up, and that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and also giving you the long-term outlook here on the Polygon Matic chart, which is the move being given by this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow, where you can see that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2 within this red target area. And having seen the low for this second wave within the red target area, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of the wave 3 that is now giving me the short-term scenarios, where you can see that we have peaked in that first wave of this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow, then a corrective structure in this wave 2. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is impulsive, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, which has just given me the short-term scenarios, having the target areas in the formation of this wave 3 at around the $1.2649 mark. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 46 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting a bit of a breakdown here on the charts. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.